Hello everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex, and today I'm going to share a complete guide on how to optimize the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Our goal? To stop unnecessary battery drain, save your mobile data, and speed up your phone's performance. Please support this video by clicking the like button so these tips can reach more people. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Let's start with the external settings. Tap and hold the Play Store icon on your home screen. Then tap the small eye icon or App Info. Go into the storage menu, then click Clear Cache. This is essential to remove accumulated junk files. Next, select the battery menu and change the setting to Restricted. Don't worry, Play Store will still work perfectly, but now it won't steal your battery power in the background. While still in the same menu, open Mobile Data. Disable the option, Allow background data usage. This is one of the biggest data wasters. Believe it or not, Play Store can consume dozens of megabytes without you even noticing. By turning this off, your data plan will last much longer. Step 2. Let's go inside the Play Store app itself. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings. Open the General menu, then go to Notifications. I highly recommend turning off all notifications here. Every alert that pops up wakes up your phone's system and drains your battery for no reason. Now go to Network Preferences and select Auto Update Apps. Make sure you choose Don't Auto Update Apps. If this feature is on, your phone works every single day to update apps like TikTok or YouTube, which update very frequently. It's much better to update manually in the Manage Apps and Device menu when you have free time or a stable Wi-Fi connection. This is way more efficient for your phone's hardware. The final step, go back to your profile menu and select Play Protect. Click the gear icon or settings in the top right corner. Keep the first option active to scan for viruses, but turn off the second option, which is Improve Harmful App Detection. This second option constantly sends data to Google in the background and is a major battery killer. And that's it. Your Play Store is now fully optimized. Your phone will feel lighter, your battery will last longer, and your data usage is under control. Let me know in the comments, does your phone feel faster after trying this? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mexmew for more exciting gadget tips. I'm Mex. Thanks for watching. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.